Benincà BRAINY 230V Complete Installation and Wiring Guide. In today's video, I will show you complete installation and wiring of the Beninca Brainy control panel for 230-volt AC motors. Hello friends, welcome back to Auto Door Surgeon. Let's start. This is Beninca Brainy 230-volt control board. I will put numbers of labels to easy understanding every connection and terminals. Focus on every moment. Don't skip any parts of the video. First, make sure the main electricity supply is switched off. Main power connection. This is 3-pin block of the main power supply. Terminal number 1 is ground. Terminal number 2 is live. Terminal number 3 is neutral. This control board input main power supply is 230-volt AC. Double-check all wires before switching on the power. Safety first. Motor connection. This all terminals from 4 to 9 is for motor 1 and motor. This is dual motors. Now we connect dual motors to control board. Motor 1 and motor 2. For motor number 1, connect motor phase wire to terminal 4. Motor common wire to terminal 5. And the third motor phase wire to terminal 6. Now, connect motor number 2. Connect motor phase wire to terminal 7. Motor common wire to terminal 8. And the third motor phase wire to terminal 9. The capacitor connection should be between phase of motor. The output power supply for motor 1 and motor 2 is 230-volt AC, means the motor should be 230-volt AC and maximum power is 600 watts per motor. When checking motor's direction, please keep motors in halfway. The first pulse of the control is opening the motors. If the motor rotates in the wrong direction, simply interchange the opening and closing wires. Case 1. If motor 1 opening and motor 2 closing. Then make power off and invert motor 2 phase wire with each other. 2. Case 2. If the motor 1 closing and motor 2 opening. Then you need to change the motor 2 phase wire. Flashlight and antenna connection. This is flashlight with inside circuit diagram. Connect flashlight wires to terminal 10 and terminal 11. The flashlight will blink automatically whenever the gate starts opening or closing. This helps warn people and vehicles nearby. The flashlight should be 230-volt AC. Terminal 36 is a signal of antenna. Terminal 35 is a ground of antenna. Photocell connection. This is a single pair of photocell. This is inside circuit terminals of Photocell, where we will connect control board safety. First, connect Photocell power supply. This is a receiver and transmitter photocell. Connect 24-volt AC power from terminal 14 and terminal 15. Brown wire is 24-volt phase and blue wire is negative or neutral. Now connect safety, the receiver output. Connect common by wire to terminal 27. Connect photo safety NC contact to terminal 33 for full photocell protection. Terminal 33 is working safety in opening and closing. If you want safety in closing only protection, use terminal 32. After connection, test by blocking the sensor. The gate should stop or reverse. Push button connection. This is a single NO switch. Connect one wire to terminal 26 from push button. Terminal 26 is common terminal. Connect the second wire to terminal 28 from push button. Terminal 28 is the step-by-step command. Push button press one time, gate opens. Push button press second time, gate stops. Push button press third time, gate closes. Very simple operation. Limit switch terminals. This terminals for motor 2 limit switch. This terminals for motor 1 limit switch. A limit switch is a fixed stop point sensor. It tells the control board. Gate is fully open, stop motor. Gate is fully closed, stop motor. The types of mechanical limit switch or magnetic limit switch. If you have limit switch in motors, connect better. Encoder blocks. An encoder is a position and movement sensor used in automatic swing gate motors. It continuously tells the control board how far the gate has moved, opening and closing speed, direction of movement, obstacle detection. For swing gate motors, some systems use only encoder, some use only limit switches, and some use both together for better accuracy and safety.